Hey guys, Mouse934. So today, I went to Target. Target's open in Canada now, so that's great. So, yep, I got this FairField Memorabilia thing. Yeah, I'd like to get that. I'm not really interested in that, but it's open at. This is by FairField. The infamous FairField does all the retail stuff. It's better than like Beckett retail, because Beckett retail is really bad. You're not supposed to get anything out of those, basically. But yeah, so it comes with 1 memorabilia and 3 packs. Yep. Oh, good. Looks like there's no victory. If there is, I'm just not gonna open it because no one would be interested. But open up, come on. Don't want to damage them. Okay, I just suck at cutting. You should see my cutting at school. It's terrible. So, not bad packs. Some memorabilia. Save that for last. 3 packs, 9, yeah. Not very good packs. Well, let's open this. I'm just really hoping that they won't get another Steve Eiserman jersey. Robbie Earl. I just don't want another Steve Eiserman jersey card because I've got enough of those out of retail stuff. I think I have like 2 or 3 of 05-06. Scoring Kings of Pavel Datsyuk. Gold medallion of Sheldon Surrey. Okay, last pack. Intro the memorabilia. Oh, no surprise. Base, yeah, base. Mountain memorabilia. Oh, good! Oh, wait, no. Martin Biron. Not the greatest, but jersey. Of course, no protection or anything. There's the indentation. You can see the corners flipped up a bit there. Yeah, that sucks. Damaged. I don't know. Should I contact them? Maybe they'll give me free stuff. I doubt it, but yeah, damaged. But so yeah, thanks for watching.